A fire stick is a really nice way to show how heat and temperature are not the same thing at all, and that you can make things hot. You can give them a high temperature without actually heating them from something which is hotter. The way the fire stick works is that the gas inside of this container, it's very tight fitting perspex tube, is squashed rapidly, and what happens is, as you do the work on the gas, the energy of the work done turns into heat energy in the gas. The gas particles end up moving faster. And if you do it fast enough, then you can actually make things catch on fire. And the way this device works is you can put a tiny little bit of cotton thread inside, and that will make it work. Now, make sure that these are clean and smooth, because often you get little bits of charred remains of the last experiment blocking that. So make sure they're really clean and smooth. And you need to get this with the kit. You get O-rings, but you get this. I think it's just ordinary cotton wadding, but I'm just using the stuff that came in the packet. These fire sticks you can buy from Crescendo or Delta and places like that for about $16, around that sort of mark. So they're not super expensive. Don't do it as a class set though, because the students will tend to want to put heaps of cotton inside, and that will never work. So you need to make sure that the air is fresh inside the tube, and what I often do is I'll just put a pencil up and down in it just to make sure that the exhaust gases from the last one have gone. And I'll just try and get that piece of cotton into the tube and then tighten it up. So I'm going to have a go at doing this now. I've done it earlier and I've got a couple of videos of it. You can really see that it is so hot. And I've also got a slow motion video that I will add to this. Obviously, measuring the temperature and the work done is never going to work very well. But what you can see is that as you compress a gas, it gets really hot. Also useful if you want to teach about stars and how they form, how they heat up when gravity causes them to collapse. So I'll just turn down the lighting, that might help. And I'll see if I can get it to work this time. But I'll also put up the other two videos I've just made. So that's not worked. I'll try one more time on this little bit here. Oh no. So it's a bit hit and miss. I might have put too much in this time. There we go.